today we're going to go over how to draw Huggy Wuggy, at least just his face. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners. That's pretty much it. All you need is like a marker, a pencil. It doesn't really matter what you use. I'm going to be using a marker because I think it's better to demonstrate with. And that's it. Very, very short lesson, so let's do it step by step together, okay? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually draw the curve underneath. Go over here and curve on the left side, curve on the right side. It's gonna be the lips, right, that we're doing right now. I'm gonna draw a U. And go over here, curve underneath. Right there, so another curve. It's kind of this like U shape. By the way, hit the like button. By the way, if you get it likes like Huggy Wuggy. I've only heard of this character a while ago, and it's kind of fascinating that it's so popular. It's interesting to me because it's such a strange design. It's like an amazing design. Curve underneath, pull up. Over here, I'm gonna draw lines for the teeth because that's what he's known for. Is these sharp teeth, which really are just triangular shapes right here. But the one thing I want you to do is to kind of draw them like curved in a little bit, right? Like they're curving. See how that's curved this way, this is curved that way. They're curving into the mouth because when it bites something, it takes like, you know, it pulls it in. That's kind of the whole idea. Curve right here. Kind of like animals. Animals evolve teeth like that as well. A lot of them, like if you look at like a T-Rex's mouth or something, it's like all curved in to pull in. Same thing goes for a lot of other animals. But anyways, that is the mouth. Now I'm going to go over here to the eyes, and I'm going to draw a circle over here on one side, kind of almost like really nestled into that area. Circle here. Circle here for the highlights. Now I'm going to fill it in. Fill it in over here. Keep filling it in. It's gonna be pitch black. Just kind of fill it in. While I'm doing that, don't forget, you know, say hi to me in the comment section. That always helps out. It's really hard making these videos, and you know, sometimes it puts a lot of pressure on me to kind of get stuff out. I kind of messed up the post yesterday, so I am very disappointed in myself. I accidentally put like the wrong date, so I only put 2 videos up yesterday. So yeah, you know, just, you know, having issues every now and then. But anyways, thank you so much. I appreciate the support. And I'm gonna fill in the mouth here as well. Kind of keep filling it in. Do this step by step. And there we go. Gonna go over here on this side, and I'm gonna pull up over here for the hair. Over here on this side. Pull up for the hair on this side. Zigzag on that side. Zigzag on that side. Curve. It's gonna kind of pull in. I'll go over here on this side. Curve, and I'm gonna pull in on this side. All right. I'm actually gonna throw some color on this guy this time, just for kicks. I'm gonna grab a blue. I'm gonna grab a light blue because marker tends to, I don't know, when it comes down darker than you think. I noticed. So I'm picking the lighter one, and it's probably gonna come out. I'm gonna color it flat, by the way. So this blue part flat. So even though this looks light right there, see that? It's coming out kind of dark. Like darker than you would think. So just kind of keep that in mind. In fact, if you have Crayola, I would buy the lighter versions because they have two versions. If you go like buy it at Walmart or Target or wherever you buy Crayola, they have a couple of different versions, and the normal version is just way too dark. I noticed. It's way too dark. It like hides the drawing and stuff like that. So what you need to do is buy the lighter versions. They almost look too light when you look at the package. You know, they have like a light blue, a light purple, but it actually comes out kind of normal if you're drawing something. So I highly recommend that, but it's up to you, of course. But that's just been my experience. And what I'm using now is I'm using a Copic marker. These are more expensive. You can buy these. And I honestly do recommend them because they don't smudge very much. Like they're not running into like right now they're not really pulling information from the black line here. And sometimes at this stage, Crayola markers, if I pick the blue one, might actually smudge for whatever reason. So that's the thing I really like about these markers. It's like surprising how good they are. Like it's not surprising because they are expensive, so I mean, you know, they are worth it though, so I do recommend that. Cool. Whew. Sorry, the smell's bad. Do this outside, or not outside, but do this like near a window or with a fan or something on. So let's go into the red. The red of the lips is really important, so I'm gonna go right here. Curve underneath. And I'm pulling a line, but I'm leaving a white stripe. See how I'm doing that? I'm pulling a line above and a line below. I'm leaving that white right there. Why am I doing that? I'm doing it because I want to leave it for a highlight. I'm going to do the same thing here toward the bottom. I'm going to leave a white right there, white line, as a highlight. And lastly, I'm going to give it a little bit of thickness with a thick black line around the entire thing. Because just to kind of contain it. Basically, if you want to clean up your lines and you want to draw anything and everything, go to the official website from here, sketchingeasy.com. When you go to sketchingeasy.com, it's going to, I have a program, or not even a program, it's like a mini course. It's literally just a short, like 4 videos where it teaches you how to clean up your lines, right? So when you're writing like this, right? You're anchoring your hand like this. You're not moving much, but when you're drawing, you're moving this. See how I'm moving now at the kind of shoulder and elbow a little bit, right? It's a different thing, and most people don't know how to do that, so their lines will come up all crunchy and weird. To avoid that, and some people have that their entire drawing career, by the way. To avoid that, I want you to do that. You know, go check out that video if you want to get rid of it. Really, to have these clean lines that are going to improve. They're going to improve literally every drawing you do. It's going to improve when you have clean lines. But go to sketchingeasy.com and click the dragon for that. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Much hugs. See you later.